In this quick video guide, we're going to see a website where we can download free graphics, and in particular, we can download SVG or Scalable Vector Graphics, and it's called Openclipart. So we can search for it by just typing here in a web browser, just openclipart.org, and you can search by image if you want, but here, if you go into results, the first result on the top should be the one that we're looking for. So Openclipart, Clippy Culture, you click there, you get in, and all you will see is like cartoonish, or let's say more like logos and icons. So simple and really neat and clean graphics that you can use for vector graphics, or you can use also for 3D. You can use a random search. You can search for a specific thing, like for example a dog, and you can see here all the various results. So some of these are more cartoonish, some of these are better for logos, some are a little bit more advanced in terms of graphics, but overall they are vector graphics. So I'm gonna pick this one right here, which looks like a logo, and yep, it's a dog silhouette logo. So we can make an example, and you get all the information about the author right there, and also there is this has been traced from another site, so this is kind of a container from also sources from other sites. So if you want to see where it came from, you can go there, and there it is. So that's the logo, and it's all the information right here. That's another site we already talked about in another video guide, and this is a public domain, so everything is completely free to use. And here I have the possibility to download it in SVG. So if I click on that button, I can now see that that's the image right there. So I just need to right click and save, and you can see it never lose quality. That's the beauty of scalable vector graphics, that you can scale them at any size, they will never lose quality. So right click with your mouse and just save as, save with the name, and just go do Control S and save it in your computer wherever you want. I'm gonna save it in a specific folder here that I created for the Blender course. Blender is a 3D software, and you can use definitely 2D graphics in a 3D software to create 3D logos or 3D graphics. So once it's downloaded, we will just open it with a software capable of reading SVG. Now there are also other options like images, simple images like PNG, but PNG, they have pixels and they need to be retraced in a 3D software or in a 2D vector graphic software. And if you zoom in a lot, you will see the pixels. So in some cases, you can use simple images, small, medium, large, or you can also use a PDF, but we're gonna go for SVG in this video guide. So I've already downloaded that. Let's get into Blender. And if you don't know what Blender is, it's just a free and open source software that you can use to learn 3D and start creating 3D graphics and architecture, motion graphics, and much more. And if you're interested, you'll find courses in the channel and also video guides dedicated to Blender. So what I'm gonna do here is just delete this cube that I find when I open Blender, and let's import the vector graphics. So I'm gonna go to File, Import. Let's look for SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. Be careful to use this one here if you wanna use it to create a 3D logo, and not this other one up here, which is Grease Pencil. Is another thing about drawing in Blender. So we're gonna go with this, Scalable Vector Graphic, SVG. Go into the folder where you saved it. In my case, I've saved it in my Blender video course folder, and there it is. So you can see a preview right there, import, and it's right there, don't worry. Just check here on the outliner panel at the top right. You can see those two curves. They are the ones that we just imported. Probably they're just too small. So we're gonna use the scale tool on the left. We're gonna click and drag inside the white circle to make it big enough so that we can see it right away. And there's a logo right there. It's already filled with the materials and it's not empty curve, but in Blender is considered as a curve, as a vector graphic. And once you have a curve in Blender, you can go in the properties panel on the right, in the little green icon right there, you can search for the geometry tab and just extrude, and the job is done. So you have taken a 2D graphic and you're making it in 3D. You can also print it using a 3D printer in 3D. And here we have two curves. One is the sun, the other is the dog. So we can give two extrusions. Maybe we can increase a little bit the one of the dog. So we have two heights, and there it is. The job is done. Really easy, really fast, and totally free. So this will be all for this video guide. If you are interested in knowing more about Blender, again, there are courses in the channel about Blender and other 3D software. And I'm just gonna go here, continue to play with this, giving some bevel, etc., etc. And this will be all for this guide. So subscribe to stay updated, join the channel to support us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.